Good morning, student. Today we discuss about 12 question of our lesson combustion and flame. So, the 12th question is: can the process of rusting be called the combustion? Discuss. No, because rusting is a exothermic process. In the rusting is a exothermic process as a heat is liberated during a rusting. Same, the rusting is a exothermic process, same as a heat is liberated during rusting. When rusting is formed, heat is liberated from the material. On the other hand, combustion is a chemical process in which substance, here our substance is iron. Iron is react with the oxygen, and after reaction it releases energy in the form of heat and light. So during the rusting, material is also react with oxygen. After reaction, it form a new product, and that product's layer are formed on the iron. So that is the process of rusting. So rusting is also called a combustion. Abhida and Ramesh were doing the experiment in which way water was to heated in a beaker. Abhida kept the beaker near the wick in the yellow part of the candle. Ramesh kept beaker in the outermost part of the flame, whose water will get heated in a shorter time. Here we have to given some example. Abhida and Ramesh will doing experiment. That experiment is water is heated in a beaker. First, Abhida kept a beaker near the wick of yellow part of candle flame. Here, Abhida first kept beaker near the yellow part of the candle flame. Ramesh kept the beaker the outermost part of the flame. Here, it's the bluish part are present in the outermost zone. So, Ramesh kept beaker in the outermost part of the flame, and Abida is kept beaker near the middle part. It's a yellow part of the candle, whose water will get heated in the shorter time. You know the answer of this question. Outer part is a more higher on hottest part compared to the middle part. So here the water placed in the outermost part of the flame will be heated in a short time because non-luminous flame is regarded the hottest part of the flame. It means to say that outer layer is a more hotter than the yellow part of the flame. So Ramesh beaker will be heated first as compared to Abida. However, Abida, who placed the beaker in a luminous flame, is completely less hotter. So we all we already discuss about that. The innermost zone is a less hot tempered uh, hot temperature. In middle zone it's a minimum medium parts of the hottest temperature, and outer zone is the higher part of the heat temperature. So outer part of the flame is a more hotter as compared to the middle part of the flame. So here the beaker of Ramesh is heated in a short time as compared to the Abida, because Abida kept her beaker on the middle part of the candle. On the middle part of candle, the heat is a minimum as compared to the heat temperature is minimum as compared to the outer zone. So here our whole lessons combustion and flame are completed. Now you will write down all 13 questions in your copy. After completing lesson, we start new lesson.